So we are in Bristol today. We're going to Little Chinatown. We're going to try their delicious dim sum. So please stay tuned. Let's go enjoy some amazing food from China. I bet they have soup there. Okay.
Fried ones, right? So you see this all the time.
Yeah.
On
I bet a lot of people don't know here.
How good is it?
Thank you. They are they're sticky. You get one.
Really juicy.
It's really nice, isn't it? I don't know what's in it. I'm not that brave. Looks like beef.
Yeah, it's beef.
Looks like it.
Is it good? Oh, look at that. Mời Đăng, ok. What's this?
Yeah, and this person always got holiday. The most time.
They're very hot.
If you do her, it's interesting.
It's really hot.
When you come back, yeah, but I don't think
It's delicious.
say, oh, do you do something? He's and she just left. Oh, no.
It's very hot.
Very nice.
Straight from the fire. Very hot.
Mua à?開唔開門啊？
Really hot.
開唔開門啊？
Yesterday on the videos.
I know.
Hmm?
No, it's okay. Why you do it sometimes? When you come the next time, speak to her. Yeah, you need to go like September. I'm not doing yes, I'm doing it, but I say yes, since better life, freedom life, right? Yeah, we take something we can each other, yeah? I miss you in a long time. Yeah? Yes, I can, yeah. Yeah, if you pay and then, but the first of all, hey,
Oh, you see, I'm hot.
is you okay? Yeah.
I like this.
What?
This.
This is good.
This is that one. Let's see how good this one is.
But need to no.
Chili.
Really?
Sometimes they do film at night. Probably they just setting what the city have to close, innit? And I'm also filming. I'm also filming dim sum restaurant. It's dribbling. This is cold now, innit?
Yeah, you can find it.
我们有点稍微吃一下，不错。
I'm going to eat the turnip cake. It's very nice.